Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only.
We'll let the customer work out the bugs.
This driver almost got sideswiped after a careless driver in front didn't check his mirrors before switching lanes.
What was that noise? Is that your horn?
Yeah. And then she's road raging and cuts me off because I did something wrong.
Kementerian Pengajian Tinggi berkata ia membabitkan 235 gerai yang menawarkan hidangan pada harga RM30. Menteri Kesihatan Dr. Salihah Mustafa berkata, petugas dan pengamal perubatan khususnya di sektor awam perlu.
Truck driver came a bit too fast into corner. He almost flipped.
What the?
What is wrong with y'all? Idiot stopped in the middle of the intersection. He couldn't have pushed it to the side of the road.
Camino exit. Search online at bmwfremont.com.
God damn it!
Stock number H.
You gotta be
00643 MSRP 32986. Short-term financing available with approved.
Distracted driver without even slowing down caused multiple vehicle accident. Owner of the dashcam video said that his car got toe-tailed since there was $7,000 damage on $5,000 car.
What got going on over here? Damn. Three-car accident? Wow.
Grade math. 1. Conceptually, how big numbers and long distances.
This driver got involved in T-bone accident after driver pulled out directly in front of him. Luckily, everyone involved walked away from this accident. Outrage happened right in front of him. Luckily, it ended before it even started.
Oh, you idiot!
Is that somebody that...
Yes! What the
God damn it!
This clip is a definition of reckless driving.
In half a mile, use the left 3 lanes to take the I-680 north exit toward Sacramento, Concord.
What are you doing? What? I was going the wrong way.
Guards, Kevin Nishida, protected TV crew who were reporting on crime in Chinatown.
Okay.
Convicted would be eligible for sentencing.
He has claimed absolute immunity in his defense to the election interference case. Is that your view? Do you believe a president has absolute immunity for anything that happens while they're president?
I'm gonna let the courts figure that out. I mean, the last thing you're gonna see me do is weigh in or
US
learn the
51
details
south
about
for
any of
3/4
the
of a
court
mile.
cases because I can't follow 90%.
Grey SUV driver almost causes accident after he forced himself Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.